Hello everyone, welcome back to my class. I hope you all are well. I am your IT teacher and this is grade 4 IT. In today's video, let us do the continuation of lesson number 1, input and output devices. So in the last video, I have completed this computer system. So in today's video, I will be doing the continuation with the new topic, that is input devices. So let's get started. Okay, this is page number 5. The device through which we enter data and instruction are called input devices. Okay, so device through which we enter data and instruction are called input devices. The most commonly used input device is the keyboard. Okay, so the most commonly used input device is keyboard. Next one, page number 6. The other input devices are mouse, trackball, light pen, which do not require typing to input data. They are called pointing devices. Okay, so they are called pointing devices. We can select any item on the screen by pointing and clicking on it. Okay, so we can select any item on the screen by pointing and clicking on it. So these are input devices. Next, what are the common input devices? Our next topic. Common input devices is nothing but keyboard, mouse, microphone. Okay, so this is keyboard figure. Keyboard is used to enter data and instruction into the computer by typing. Okay, so it is used to enter data and instruction into the computer by typing. Okay, so standard keyboard has 104 keys. Okay, so a standard keyboard has 104 keys which can be divided into 4 groups. Okay, so which can be divided into 4 groups. Typing keys, alphabetic keys and numeric keys. Okay, so typing keys, alphabetic keys is nothing but A to Z. Numeric key is nothing but number keys. Functions key, F1 to F12. Navigation keys is nothing but arrow keys. Navigation keys is nothing but arrow keys. Home, end, page up, page down, etc. And control keys, CTRL, ALT, Windows logo key and ESC. Okay, so this is about keyboard. So we are having how many keys? We are having 104 keys. Okay, so this is about keyboard. Next, mouse. A mouse is handheld pointing device. So this is the figure of mouse. Okay, so a mouse is handheld pointing device with 2 or 3 buttons on its top. Okay, so 2 or 3 buttons on its top. It is used to control the movement of a pointer. Okay, so it is used to control the movement of a pointer. It is also used to point and select the objects and open files or folder. So we will use this mouse to open files or folders. A mouse is used to draw pictures. Okay, so why we will use mouse? A mouse is used to draw pictures. Okay, next, microphone. So this is the figure, microphone. A microphone is an input device which is used to record voice, music and sound into the computer system. Okay, so what exactly a microphone? A microphone is an input device which is used to record voice, music and sound into the computer system. Okay, sound cards enable the computer to record sound input from a microphone connected to the computer. Apart from recording sound in computer, a microphone is used in many applications such as telephones, tape recorder. Phone is used in many applications such as telephones, tape recorders. Microphones is used in many applications, okay, such as telephones and tape recorders. So this is about common input devices. Next, more input devices. Okay, what are the more input devices? Touchpad, okay, touchpad, touch screen, light pen. Okay, so this is a touchpad, touch screen and this is light pen. These are the more input devices. What exactly a touchpad? Touchpad is used instead of a mouse on the laptop computers. It is a touch sensitive pad. Okay, it is a touch sensitive pad. You can control the movement of the pointer on the screen by moving the finger on the touch pad. Okay. Next, touch screen. A touch screen is a computer screen which is sensitive to the touch. Okay, so we are using touch screen mobiles. Okay, so we can select the object directly by touching with fingers without using any pointing device. Example, ATM machines, cell phones, etc. So as I said, we are using cell phones. We are using. So this is the best example they have given: ATM machine and cell phones. Last, light pen. A light pen is a pen-like pointing device. It is used to select objects on the display screen. It is quite similar to a mouse except that it allows you to point the objects. Okay, so this is about more input devices. Okay, touchpad, touch screen, light pen. Okay, so in the next class I will be doing the continuation of your remaining concept. I hope you understood today's class. Thank you.